Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for some more content, and get notifications. In this video, we're going to give you my opinion on the Tein Advanced Z coilover setup. It features adjustable ride height and adjustable dampening. Height-wise, this is its maximum setting right here. And this is probably about the max setting that you're going to get. I rock this for the winter because I need to drive this thing in a foot of snow if need be. The only adjustment for the ride height is this one spring seat. Turning the screw all the way to the right on top will be the softest setting. All the way left will be the hardest dampening. I have the suspension set in a neutral position, meaning it's in between its softest and hardest dampening setting. As you can see here, the suspension it's softer than stock, but it's nothing like a Cadillac. I'm sure you can go softer on this, but this is the nicest setting so far that I feel for driving around town. If it's 24-way adjustable, 12 clicks to one side is pretty much a normal neutral setting, and it does really well in the snow and it drifts really well. Just make sure you raise your suspension up so that you don't bottom out in the snow. At around $600, you can't beat the price of these Advanced Z. They are a great product, they're super high quality, and they work really well. Tein suggests for your initial drives to set the settings to about their medium setting. So if it's a 24-way adjustable, you'd set it at about 12. So that'd be about halfway. That's going to give you the most dynamic range so far without going nuts and really dialing in your own damper settings. Now here's the thing. Dampening settings, they vary on each corner and on each track, on each autocross course, depending on what you're going to do with it. If you're just going to drive the thing around on the street, it's probably a good place to just set it there in the middle, and then if you want it stiffer or softer on any of the ends, you can go from there. This is the dampening set on its hardest setting, and man oh man, it's there. It is very stiff, and it slams the tire back onto the road as soon as you hit any type of bump, giving you full grip after you hit something. I would say it's about 25% stiffer than the KYB stock on the STIs. The softest setting is laughable. The dampening is so soft, it's still sporty, but this is what you want to drive your grandmother to the grocery store with. If you're driving your parents somewhere and they hate the stiff suspension, or you know you're going to be on some seriously bumpy roads, this is the setting for you. It is a great coilover setup. For the price, you can't beat it. You can find them for about $600. Check out my install video. Let me know how it goes. And we'll see you next time, guys. Take care. SVT WRC. Later.